Hey, so sorry about the helmet hair, but this here's my temple guard mask, and it took me less than a day to make, so I'm going to show you how I did that. Let's get started. Okay, so first we need a file, so I just hop onto MakerWorld here, and I find this nice file by Galactic Armory. So I'm just going to hit open in Bamboo Studio. So now that we're in Bamboo Studio, as you can see it fits in the build plate really nicely, so I just check all my settings twice, make sure supports are enabled so it doesn't fall over obviously, and then I just hit slice. I'm not going too in depth into the settings because I just use mostly defaults and gyroid infill. Okay, so now I just take a quick look around the model to see if there's any obvious points that it might fail. So in this case it seems about good, so I'm just going to check how long it's going to take and how many grams of filament. Pretty low in this case, so everything seems good. I'm going to hit print. Quick support removal. Okay, so here's the raw print with all the supports removed. Fits perfectly, so now all I need to do is fix some of these imperfections at the top, and then I should be good to paint it. So here I'm using masonry filler to fill the top layering issues at the top and at the top of the ornate designs. So now I'm just going to be sanding it using this detail sander from 180 grit up to 400. Doing the quick first coat of primer. So even after that first pretty thick coat, there's still some obvious imperfections around the bottom and at the top here, but you can't really see them because of the color, because it's white, you can't really see them. So I'm going to start sanding that down again. Sorry about the camera here, I know the angle sucks. Here I'm just masking off all the white parts so I can start painting the gold on. And actually I didn't paint this, I just used the primer because it actually looks pretty good. All done and ready for the gold. I'm just using this pretty cheap gold paint from Belton, it's like 10 bucks. And now we can remove the masking to reveal the finished mask. So here I'm using some of the white spray paint to fill places where the gold kind of seeped through the masking because I didn't go super professional on the masking. But once again, I didn't film any close-ups of that, so you don't really see it too much on camera. So I'm just going to use this elastic strap to be able to wear it. So yeah, that's it for this build, guys. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see next. Have a great day. Peace.